success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying, I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me, fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose, a reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I did it. I still do, but it's better when I get wins. On stage, looking out at my best friends. We gon' get real loud till the night ends. I get pissed and I still don't have a top 10. It's a fucking boys club at the top 10. Like a bracket, hey, just to get in. I ain't doing that shit, I don't pretend. Yeah, I wanna be the best. Always had a drive that I had to beat the rest. Yeah, put me in the game when there's only seconds left. When the game's on the line, yeah, you see me at my best. I can feel it in my heart when it's beating at my chest. That's when I lock in, getting better every breath. That's when I'm all in, I can handle any threat. I ain't never second guess, I know I can be the best. Let me tell you what I know about life. And the more that you push and the more that you fight is the more that you learn. What you got deep inside is the more that you learn. And you find out your why. It wasn't ever that cool to be a try-hard, but all the cool kids didn't make it that far. It doesn't take education, it takes smarts. It takes fucking hard work and a full heart. They ain't see the work that I put in. They just see a rock star with a big grin. That's cool, I don't need recognition. I just wanna be free, that's a must win. Try me in a race, I'ma dust them. If the money hot and tell them I'm a bust in. I don't understand, hate all the fussing. Get a job, get a life, go do something. It's 5 a.m., ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst. Look around me, it's a curse. Just think I'm losing my mind. Living overnight success, what they'll call